Welcome! In today's video, we'll show you how to view all the shared photos in your WhatsApp group using WhatsApp Web on your PC. With this new update, accessing your favorite moments has never been easier. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and go to whatsapp.com. If you're not already logged in, scan the QR code with your mobile device to connect your account. Once you're logged in, find the group chat where you want to view the shared photos. Click on that group to open the conversation. Now, look for the group name at the top of the chat. Click on it to open the group info panel. This is where you can manage various settings related to the group. Next, click on the Media, Links and Docs section. This will take you to a dedicated area where you can see all the media shared in the group. Finally, in the Media section, you'll find all the photos that have been shared. Scroll through to find the ones you want to view. You can click on any photo to enlarge it and enjoy those cherished moments. And there you have it. You can now easily access all shared photos in your WhatsApp group on your PC. Enjoy reminiscing about all those great memories.